Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 5.6, derivative of function in parametric function. Exercise 5.6, question number first. X is equal to 2at and y is equal to at power 4. There are two functions. X is equal to 2at and y is equal to a t की power 4. So now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So d upon dt and x is equal to 2d upon dt to at. So dx upon dt is equal to 2a constant common out 2a dt upon dt. Derivative of t with respect to t, this is 1, 2a 1. So 2a dx upon dt. Now take question. Let question first and also derivative or differentiate with respect to t. So dy upon dt is equal to d upon dt a t की power 4. So now a common out, so dt t की power 4. So now we know that x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. So n times n decreasing 1 power. So also this t की power, so n times 4 t की power 4 minus 1. So 4a t की power 3. So dy upon dt. Now take question second. Now we find dy upon dx. So divide second from first. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt dx upon dt is equal to dy upon dt 4a t की power 2 3 and upon dx upon dt 2a. So now 2 and a cancel out is equal to 2 t की power 3. This is answer of. And question number second, x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to at की power 4. So now in a parametric form given two function, differentiate with respect to t. So now dx upon dt is equal to 2a t की power 2d upon dt. Now 2a constant common out, coefficient 2a d upon dt t की power 2. So 2a into 2 into t की power 2 minus 1. Now d upon dx x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. So this is power of n times, so decreasing one power n minus 1. So now use 2 times and 2 minus 1. So 4a and t, this is t dx upon dt. Now question first, and also differentiate with respect to t. Now dy upon dt is equal to d upon dt a t की power 4. So एक constant common out, d upon dt t की power 4 and also a t की power 4. So according to this formula 4 times and t की power 4 minus 1 power decrease. So 4 a t की power 3. So dy upon dt. Now take second. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt dx upon dt. So now these value put here. So dy upon dt 4at की power 3 and also divide by 4at. So 4 cancel out and t 1 power cancel out, t की power 2. So dy upon dx is equal to t की power 2. This is answer of given question. Question number second part. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b cos theta. There are two functions in parametric form. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Now dx upon d theta is equal to d upon d theta a cos theta. So a common out and d upon d theta cos theta. Now derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. So dx upon d theta. Dx upon d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. This is first part. And also differentiate with respect to theta. So dy upon d theta is equal to b d upon d theta cos theta. So derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. So dy upon d theta is equal to minus b sin theta. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. So now these value dy upon d theta put here minus b sin theta upon dx upon d theta minus a sin theta. So sin cancel out and minus cancel out. So b upon a. So now dy upon dx is equal to b upon a. This solution of given question. Question number third, x is equal to 4t and y is equal to 4 upon t. There are two functions and change into in parametric form. So now differentiate with respect to t. So dx upon dt is equal to 4 constant common out d upon dt t and 4. So dt with respect to dt 1. So this is 4. Dx upon dt is equal to 4. Now take first part and again differentiate with respect to t. So dy upon dt is equal to 4 common out and d upon dt 1 upon t, or 4 d upon dt t की power minus 1. So now 4 power minus 1 and t की power minus 1 minus 1. So decreasing minus 1 and n times and in minus 1. So minus 4 t की power minus 2 and also minus 4 upon t square and this dy upon dt. Now second part. So now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. So now these value put here, dy upon dt minus 4 upon t square upon 4. So minus 4 upon 4 t square. So cancel out minus 1 upon t square. This dy upon dx. This is answer of given solution. And question number 5, x is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Dx upon d theta is equal to d upon d theta cos theta minus d upon d theta cos 2 theta. So now dx upon d theta is equal to cos theta, derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, and derivative of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, and also derivative of this d theta 2 theta. So minus sin theta minus minus plus sin 2 theta into 2 into d theta d theta. So now minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta into 1. So now dx upon d theta. So dx upon d theta is equal to 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. This now first part and differentiate with respect to theta. Now again dy upon d theta is equal to d upon d theta sin theta minus d upon d theta sin 2 theta. So now derivative of sin cos theta and derivative of sin Also cos 2 theta and d upon d theta into 2 theta, and initially start to derivative sign and also derivative this. So cos theta minus cos 2 theta into 2 into d theta upon d theta. Now 2 common out, so cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta into 1. So dy upon d theta is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Now take second part and divide so dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. Now dy d theta cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta upon now 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. This is dy upon dx. And question number 6. X is equal to a theta minus sin theta and y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. There are two functions changed in parametric form. So now differentiate with respect to theta. Now dx upon d theta is equal to a d upon d theta, theta minus sin theta. So a now d theta upon d theta minus d upon d theta sin theta. So a 1 minus derivative of sin cos theta. This is dx upon d theta. Now let first part and also differentiate with respect to theta. So dy upon d theta is equal to a d upon d theta 1 plus cos theta. So now a d upon d theta 1 and plus d upon d theta cos theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So dy upon d theta is equal to a and dy upon d theta, this function. So now multiply by this d1 upon d theta plus d cos theta upon d theta. So a derivative of cos tend 0 plus cos minus sin theta. So a minus sin theta. So dy upon d theta, dy upon d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Now part second part. So now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta dx upon d theta. Now dy d theta minus a sin theta upon a 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. So A cancel out. Now and also calculate. So minus a sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta. So dy upon dx. This is answer, and also since calculate. So now sin 2 theta in identity from class 11th, sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, and also 1 minus cos theta identity 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So now change minus dy upon dx. So now minus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 upon 1 minus multiply bracket. So 1 plus 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 cancel out. So minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 upon 2 sin square theta by 2. So sin cancel out and this cancel out. So 1 power is remaining. So minus cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. So this is dy upon dx. So minus cot cos theta upon sin theta cot theta. So theta by 2 cot theta by 2. This is answer of given question. That's all.